Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn the dance from Michael Jackson's video, Beat It. Remember, this is the tutorial only, so we're not going to practice with the music. But once you've learned it, then you can do my other tutorial where you can practice with the music at different speeds, from half speed to full speeds. Also, remember to warm up before we start. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, let's start. So we're going to do mirrored, meaning this is your right and this is your left. So we're going to start from the back and we're going to take 4 steps forward. Yes, right, left, right, left. Yes. While you do that, you can put your left hand holding your pants. Yes. And the right hand is gonna like snap finger, snap, snap, snap. Yes. So you're trying to have your elbow close to your body. Yes. And you just open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Yes. So you're gonna do 2 of those while you take 1 step. Yeah. So 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes? So we're going to do on the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? And you can have your body, your upper body going with the movement as well. Yeah, like moving the shoulder a little bit, moving your upper body. Yes? So the movement is less stiff. Yeah, again, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, just that one more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you don't really have to snap your finger, obviously, every time. Yeah, just keep the shape. Honestly, is really good enough. Yeah, so once we finish here, you're gonna close your legs together. The right arm is gonna go up. Yes, the hand is extended. And when you do that, your left is gonna do fist and is gonna come here. Yeah, next to your hip, slightly higher than your hip. Yeah. So we finish the 4 steps here. So you close with the right leg and you extend the right arm, fist with the left, and then you change. Yes, you do that 4 times. Yeah. So first time, second time, third time, you're gonna extend your right leg to the side and then your left leg to the side. Yes. So touch with the right leg to the side, touch with the left leg to the side. Yes? So we finish the first 8 after the 4 walks. And we do right, left, right, left. From the top with the counts. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, again, just that. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to do left leg, right leg, left, right. Are you going to finish in the left diagonal? Yes, so from here, left, right, and again, left, right. Yeah? So he's traveling a lot in the video. Yeah, from here, it's gonna do pam, 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 pam. Yeah, same thing. If you have a small space, yeah, you can do it on the spot. It's fine. Yes. So we're gonna do left, right, left, right. When you do that, with the arms, we're gonna go reach forward, bring it back. So when you reach forward, your hands are extended. When you bring it back, fist here, yes? So you reach forward a little bit with your body forward, and then you're gonna sit back, yes, on that right leg, yeah? Palm, and again, palm, yeah? So we finish here. We do left, right, bring back, left, right, bring back. Again, so left, right, reach, bring it back, fist. Left, right, reach, bring it back with a fist. When you do that, you can add the head. So you look in the diagonal, forward. In the diagonal, forward. Yeah, again, diagonal, forward, diagonal, forward. Yeah? So, we've done arm, arm, right leg, left leg, and palm, look forward, palm, look forward. Yes, again from that part with the arms. So, right arm, left arm, touch, touch, and bring it back, reach, bring it back. Yeah? From the top with the counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're gonna do left, right. Yeah, so the right leg is gonna cross in front of the left leg. Yes. And from here, you're gonna turn to your left, half turn. Yes. So make sure you don't cross with your right foot too much forward, because then otherwise when you turn, it's gonna be weird. Yeah, your feet are not gonna be side by side. Yeah, so make sure you cross kind of the side, yeah, next to each other. And then you unwind going to the left. Yes, and then you do the same thing, exact same thing. Left, right, and you're gonna turn to the left. So you do a full turn. You don't do one turn, half turn, and come back, yeah? It's full turn. Yes, so it's always left, right, turn to your left, left, right, turn to your left. Yeah? With the arms doing to the side, when you turn, they come down, and to the side, when you turn, they come down. Yes, you can have your fist as well if you want. Yeah, so pam pam, turn down, pam pam, turn down. Yeah, so left, right, turn to your left, left, right, turn to your left. Yeah, so linking from, we've done pam, pam, reach, bring back, left, right, turn to the left, left, right, turn to the left. Yeah, one more time. So reach, bring it back, reach, bring it back, left, right, turn, left, right, turn. Yeah, from the top with the counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're gonna turn to the right. Yes. So if you want your turn to be a little bit sharper, you can add a little bit of your left arm. Yeah, turning in your left arm, pushing your shoulder forward, your left shoulder forward. Boom. Yes. So it makes it a little bit more sharper, a little bit more dramatic. Yes. And fist if you want. Yeah. Boom. Come back and look in the left diagonal. Yeah. So here you look to the right, even to the right towards the back. Yeah. Boom. And you come back to the left diagonal. So it's going to be on 5, 6, you stay on 7, and on 8 is very quick. Yeah, you just bend your knees and do a little bit of contraction. Pa, pa. Yeah, pa, pa. Yeah, just one because it's really quick. Yeah, so pa, pa. Yes, even if you just bend your knees without doing the contraction, honestly, it's fine. Yeah. So from the turns. So we do left, right, turn to your left. Left, right, turn to your left. Turn to the right. Diagonal, stay, bam. Yeah, so bend your knees and contraction. Yeah, one more time, that from the turn. So, left, right, turn. Left, right, turn to your left. And turn, diagonal, stay, pam, pam, contraction. From the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do that, you can have the opposite leg bend. Yeah, it's easier to do it like that. Yeah, bend the opposite leg, bend the opposite leg, and reach, come back, reach, come back, turn. Left, right, turn to your left, turn to your right, diagonal, and contraction. Yeah? Again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? From here, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So to do that, you're gonna kind of bend your knees and push your butt to the back. Yeah, so you're going forward with the body. And when you come back, it's your head kind of coming back first. Yes? So bend your knees, push your butt in the back, and the head's gonna lead the movement. Yes, some kind of small wave. Yeah? If you add the arms, it's gonna help you a lot. So the arms are gonna go up and down, forward. Up, yeah, palms of the hand are facing down, yeah. And curve your arms forward, yeah. So you go back and down and back and down. Yes? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, now you kind of look in the diagonal. Let me finish it because it's almost finished. Then we're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. So same thing, yeah, snapping finger. Yeah, you try to keep your elbow as close as you can, even touch, yeah, your body. That way it is easier. You just open, close, 4 times with a snapping finger. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And you're just going to push your hips to the right 4 times. And you're going to turn a little bit. You're going to start here in the left diagonal and finish in the right front diagonal. Yeah, so pam, 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 pam. And that's it. Yeah, so hip, yeah, hip and elbow here. Yeah, so you push your arm to the side and come back. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and same thing, you can put your hand, your left hand here. Yeah, so last 8 counts. Yeah, so we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, and you can slightly tilt your head to the right, down to the right side. Yeah, again, just that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly from the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, turn to the left. 4, 5, look, 6, stay, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, in the choreography after that, it repeats that movement one more time. So you can do that one more time if you want. Yeah? So after we've turned, we come back, we stay on 7 and we do the little contraction. From here, it's really fast. Spin, and you're gonna have to bend even more to do that movement, yeah? In the speed, you have no time. Pam, and right away, you stop the movement. One more time from the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1 to the left, 3 to the left, 5, 6, stay, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe. I post new dance tutorials every week, adapted to beginners as well, and I'd love to have you in the community. It helps me keep making these videos for free. Thank you for watching. Bye.